Across the globe, colossal stone structures stand frozen in time, massive blocks abandoned mid-construction, tools left scattered, and construction sites that look like the builders simply vanished overnight. What force could make ancient civilizations abandon their greatest projects at the moment of completion? The answer might terrify you. From the mysterious unfinished obelisk of Aswan to the scattered megaliths of Ollantaytambo, archaeological sites worldwide tell the same haunting story. Ancient builders with incredible skill and precision simply stopped working and never returned. These aren't construction projects that fail. They're monuments to something that made entire civilizations flee. In Egypt's granite quarries lies the world's largest unfinished obelisk, a 1,200-ton monolith that would dwarf all others. Ancient workers had nearly completed the extraction when they suddenly abandoned it forever. The precision cuts and tool marks suggest they left mid-strike, as if interrupted by something urgent and terrifying. High in Peru's sacred valley, Ollantaytambo presents an even stranger mystery. More than a dozen massive stone blocks lie scattered around the site, some weighing over 50 tons. The blocks appear to have been abandoned during the final assembly phase, frozen mid-construction for centuries. What's truly unsettling is the global pattern. From Baalbek's impossible foundation stones to Easter Island's unfinished moai, ancient megastructures worldwide show identical signs of sudden abandonment. These weren't gradual project cancellations. They were immediate evacuations that left everything exactly where workers dropped it. These abandoned sites reveal construction techniques that challenge our understanding of ancient capabilities. The precision of the cuts, the massive scale of the blocks, and the sophisticated engineering suggest civilizations with technology we can barely comprehend. Yet something made them abandon their greatest achievements at the moment of completion. At many sites, ancient tools remain exactly where workers left them, sometimes still embedded in the stone they were shaping. The preservation suggests rapid abandonment followed by immediate burial or protection. It's as if the workers knew they would never return and wanted to preserve evidence of their methods. Lebanon's Baalbek complex contains the largest worked stone blocks in human history, some weighing over 1,000 tons. 3 massive foundation stones called the trilithon were successfully placed, but nearby quarries contain even larger blocks that were abandoned mid-extraction. What could interrupt such a monumental engineering achievement? Easter Island's moai statues present perhaps the most haunting example of sudden abandonment. Nearly 400 unfinished statues remain in the quarry, some completed but never moved, others half-carved from the volcanic rock. The scene suggests workers simply put down their tools mid-carve and walked away forever. Many abandoned sites show evidence of sophisticated transportation systems that were halted mid-operation. Massive stone blocks lie along ancient roads, ramps remain half-built, and lifting systems appear frozen in time. The logistics required to move these megaliths suggests coordination on a civilization-wide scale that suddenly ceased. Bolivia's Puma Punku showcases stone cutting so precise it appears machine-made, yet construction stopped abruptly, leaving perfectly cut blocks scattered like puzzle pieces. The interlocking system suggests a master plan that was never completed. Some blocks show evidence of being abandoned while still being fitted into place. Dating these abandonments reveals a disturbing pattern. Many occurred during similar time periods across different continents. This suggests a global event or series of events that affected multiple advanced civilizations simultaneously. What could cause coordinated abandonment of humanity's greatest construction projects across vast distances? Many abandoned sites show evidence of sudden flooding or water damage that interrupted construction. Ancient flood narratives from cultures worldwide describe catastrophic water events that reshaped civilization. Could a global flood event have forced ancient builders to abandon their greatest works to survive? Climate data suggests that many abandonment periods coincide with dramatic environmental changes, volcanic winters, asteroid impacts, or sudden ice ages. These climate catastrophes could have forced advanced civilizations to prioritize survival over construction, abandoning their monumental projects to focus on basic necessities like food and shelter. What's most unsettling about these abandonments is their immediacy. There's no evidence of gradual wind down, no systematic tool collection, no careful preservation of work. Instead, we find scenes that suggest people literally dropped what they were doing and left, never to return to complete their life's work. The remarkable preservation of these sites raises questions about what happened after abandonment. Many show evidence of intentional burial or protection, as if someone wanted to preserve the evidence. This suggests that some survivors knew these sites would be important for future generations to discover. These unfinished sites provide unprecedented insight into ancient construction methods that were lost to history. We can see exactly how massive blocks were quarried, shaped, and prepared for assembly. The abandoned state reveals construction secrets that completed monuments keep hidden within their finished structures. Evidence suggests these ancient builders were part of a connected global civilization with shared knowledge and techniques. Similar construction methods, mathematical principles, and architectural styles appear at abandoned sites worldwide, indicating coordination that spanned continents before it all suddenly stopped. Some sites show evidence that certain individuals remained behind to preserve critical knowledge after the main builders departed. Hidden chambers, sealed instructions, and protected tools suggest a deliberate effort to maintain construction secrets for future rediscovery. These knowledge keepers may have sacrificed everything to preserve ancient wisdom. Recent archaeological discoveries continue to reveal new abandoned megastructures that were previously unknown. Each new site adds to the pattern of global abandonment, while raising fresh questions about what ancient civilizations were truly building. Some abandoned sites contain what appear to be warning markers or messages left by the departing builders. Stone arrangements, symbol systems, and architectural elements seem designed to communicate danger or caution to future civilizations. These warnings suggest the builders knew something catastrophic was coming. Analysis of abandonment patterns suggests these civilizations made calculated decisions to abandon their greatest projects in favor of survival. The shift from monumental construction to basic survival infrastructure indicates they prioritized continuation of their people over completion of their architectural legacy. Perhaps most haunting is the evidence that these builders expected to return. Careful positioning of tools, protective covering of work areas, and systematic organization suggest temporary departures that became permanent. They left everything ready to resume construction that would never continue. Today's world contains numerous examples of abandoned construction projects, but none match the scale and mystery of ancient abandonments. Modern abandonment usually involves financial or political issues, not civilization-threatening catastrophes. What makes ancient abandonments more mysterious is the advanced technology they represent. Modern engineering struggles to explain how these massive blocks were quarried, shaped, and moved using supposedly primitive tools. The abandoned state reveals construction capabilities that seem impossible for their time period. Some researchers suggest these sites contain forbidden knowledge that ancient civilizations deliberately abandoned to prevent misuse. The precision and scale hint at understanding of physics, engineering, and energy manipulation that could be dangerous in the wrong hands. Perhaps abandonment was an act of wisdom. Modern archaeology continues to investigate these abandonment mysteries using advanced scanning technology, dating methods, and environmental analysis. Each new discovery adds pieces to the puzzle while revealing how much we still don't understand about ancient civilizations and the catastrophes that ended their greatest achievements. Computer analysis of global abandonment patterns reveals correlations that human researchers missed for centuries. Timing, location, construction methods, and environmental factors show statistical relationships that suggest coordinated responses to specific threats. The patterns point to causes we haven't yet identified. These abandoned megastructures represent humanity's unfinished legacy, monuments to ambition, skill, and sudden catastrophe. They stand as reminders that even the most advanced civilizations can be forced to abandon their greatest achievements when faced with existential threats. Their incompleteness makes them more powerful than any finished monument. The builders vanished, but their unfinished works remain as humanity's greatest architectural mystery. These abandoned megastructures force us to confront uncomfortable questions about the fragility of civilization and the unknown catastrophes that can make entire cultures disappear overnight, leaving only their interrupted dreams carved in stone. What do you think forced ancient civilizations to abandon their greatest construction projects? Was it natural catastrophe, unknown technology, or something even more mysterious? Share your theories below and subscribe for more investigations into the mysteries that challenge our understanding of human history.